Pull out the plug and wet it all over. you switch out, you're doubling up and stuff. So anyway, and we'll do some turning here and so on. So we'll back to boat out Jordan next time. To be careful folks moving around the vessel and keep one hand for the rail, one hand for yourself. Thank you.
Say hi, Lou.
Hello folks, we got a series of boats coming at us here. This is my friend here now, he's doing some contract work here in the wood school to do some filming for us at that's about. And that boat in the center now is, no, the one on the left side there, that's our boat here. The boat of that hurricane on the left, the other side. Doing a bit of work for me today. Over trying to go around a little bit, and then you turn again here as well. Just turn on the security. White water here. Passing right over the coast. Do a few turnarounds. Folks, we're using the Iceberg here for lead, make it a little quieter for us here, folks, rather than cut back on the big swells.
Yeah. You see that there's a line on this side actually going up, so I bet it's going to split. I know.
Try to bring her around again. Don't forget to use the handrails, my folks. They're very important for your health and safety.